It was really good, girl. I got this 2022 Hyundai Tucson. The generation is the fourth generation, so it's from 2022 to nowadays. Well, now it's 2023. I don't want to say 2024 because that's the future and that involves. You see what I'm trying to say? Shout outs to everybody in the building. All right? I'm going to show you how to do the oil change in this baby, how to reset the oil life too. All right, 2022 Hyundai Tucson. All right. Shout outs to everybody in the building, okay? From Peru to Japan, GD. Hey guys, show your appreciation and return of kindness by hitting the super thanks button right here. All right, do your thing. Yeah. You see what's good over here? Down here, this is how you open the hood, pull that lever. Latch is gonna be right here in the middle. Okay. Kick stand, you're gonna need it because the hood is not holding itself. Okay. It doesn't have those pistons. You know what I'm saying? Over here, all right. Oil engine cap. It says 0W20. That's full synthetic oil, all right? If you don't see 0W20, it says see owner's manual. Manual. Oil dipstick. This is how you measure the oil. Okay. It tells you right here to engine oil. All right. Windshield fluid reservoir, coolant reservoir, engine mount, intake, engine air filter, battery, fuse box, and it has the auxiliary, I think, if I'm not tripping, auxiliary battery, where you can connect it if the battery dies. But I don't think it is though. It says positive there. I don't think it is though. But anyway, brake fluid reservoir. Okay, see what's good over here. Let me show you what's behind it. ABS. There's a cat O2 sensor. There's a lot of space here in the back though. You'll see it better at the bottom. There's a lot of space in here. Not that much in the front though. Alternator, radiator fan. Okay. Right here at the bottom, I have this cover. So there are clips, and I have to remove that. It's for the. I assume it's for the oil filter. This one right here is for the oil drain plug. But we're gonna remove those as 10 millimeter socket. So those are clips. Alright. Like I was telling you, there's a lot of space over here. Okay. It's 2022. Regular braids. Regular braids. Here. This one is gonna be, yeah, EPV. EPV. You can do this without the scanner or with the scanner. Right? Without the scanner, you have to remove this, guys. Those are Allen bolts. Okay. And after that, check out my video. I have it in my channel. Okay. How to do those without the scanner. When you are replacing the rear brake pads and rotors. Let's do this. Let me do this one, the one with the clips. I want to see if the oil filter is here. It should be, right? And yeah, I'll show you in a second though. That's one. The other one is going to be with 10 millimeter. There's one over there. Two. It looks like it has four though. Nah, 2 bolts, 2 clips. Oil drain plug. Okay. Because the oil drain plug is going to be a 17 millimeter socket, if I'm not tripping. And if you come over here, that's our guy, the oil filter. Okay. Which, and right here is going to tell you the torque specification 25. Okay, I'm going to be using this oil filter premium GAR extended life. That's a part number PG99527X. Oil filter, all right. Cartridge. Made in Vietnam. Right there where Rambo got effed up. Electric metal mattress. Where Rambo got effed up. Watch that movie. That movie's good. Alright. And that's it. Oh, it come with a this thing that I go in. I have to clean my lenses. Right there. 4 Newton. That's the torque specification for this little guy. The washer for the oil drain plug. You see it. The O-ring. That's pretty much it. Memorize that thing. 17 millimeter, right? There you go. Show the camera. Right. You let me know if I can still ride with this oil, okay? Oh, by the way, this car has 15,000 miles. Did I say that earlier? If I didn't, now you know. It's gonna take a hot minute though, but just gonna keep rocking, all right? You wanna drain most of the oil, pour some diesel in the engine, let it idle for a minute, drain it. You see most of the oil come out. Tie this nugget with 17 millimeter socket. Now we're gonna go to the oil filter. I'm gonna use the 516 here. 516 Allen, okay? Go over there. Turn it counterclockwise. Some oil is gonna come out, okay? So be ready. It's better to come out that way than on your face when you remove the whole thing without this, little drain plug on the oil filter. Let it drain for a minute. Once you drain most of it, put the new one though, the one that came with the oil filter. There, put it just like that. Okay. Tie this now with the ratchet 516. Give it a little. Should be good. You're gonna grab your 27. This is a part number, by the way. That's a brand part number 71152, 27 millimeter. So you can put it here counterclockwise to loose it. Okay. With that 27 millimeter socket, all right? Do it by hand. Ciao. Might get some oil left. Might be some oil left in there. I mean, that. That's why I removed the plug at the bottom of the oil filter. I mean, that. Yep. That's why you do it. Like this. Okay. I'm going to clean it with some brake cleaner. Remove this oil filter by just pulling it out. Okay. Insert the new cartridge. The oil ring is right there at the bottom. Just pull it up. You see the lip, the plastic over there? Pull it. Pull it from there. Okay. And put the new one the same way. I guess I gotta show you how big dogs do. Just like that, okay? See this thing right here? With that lit up, okay? But how it helps, it doesn't matter where the lid go, but I have to go up, okay? Like that, okay? Now just press it down, just like that. Make sure it's even, you know what I'm saying? Now, Put the new oil filter. Okay, doesn't matter which way. They're both the same. Both sides is the same. Like that. Pop. Now put it back. Come through. Sit. Put it in there. Okay. Use the 27mm socket to tighten it. All right. Tighten and snug it. For those that use the torque specification, there it is, 25 Newton. Okay. I'm just gonna tighten and snug it. See it again. Okay, right here it says 0W20. And that's what we're gonna use, full synthetic. I'm gonna pull 4 quarts first. All right. Then after that, I'm gonna put the oil cap back. I'm gonna start the car, let it idle for a minute. I'm saying so the oil go through the oil filter and through the system. You know what I'm saying? Maybe 4.5. 4.5. Why not? I'm telling you. The oil cap back. Don't worry about that. Just start it. Just start the car. There you go. It's running right now. You can do this. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm showing it to you. Oh, by the way, it's all the tools that I'm using for this video. You're gonna find that right below. Right below, it says view products. You have up to 30 items, okay, to look for. I'm gonna put the ratchet. I'm gonna put the. You don't have the left, so I'm gonna put some jacket stands, jack, top of oil by the gallon, per quarter. You know, they're gonna be coming from Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, Target. All right. So hopefully any of those stores are nearby where you live. It's been running for a minute. Oil dipstick. Let's see. You might need some more though. Oh yeah. You see, it's empty. It's supposed to be right here. It's supposed to be right here. So you might take 6 though because this is an SUV. So 1.5 quarts. Okay, I'm gonna put this back because I'm pretty sure I'm done with this. I didn't forget about showing you the oil level. 6.1 quarts. There you go, right of the money. Stop playing with me. It's right here. You see a level? See it, right? Alright, there you go. Okay, this is 6.1 quarts. Full synthetic, 0W20. We're done with this. Alright, let me show you how to reset the oil life in this baby. I'm gonna start it, okay? It's running right now. Service required. It's been 2 days. Okay. Alright, so here. All you're gonna do is use this and this. Up, down. If you press it, it's enter. Okay. You're gonna go in the menu. Alright, let's press this guy, the menu button. This is gonna slide to the right. You go there. If you don't get it right there at convenience, you know, just you're gonna get it right there. So scroll down, go to convenience, press enter. Now scroll down, service interval, press enter. Scroll down, preset, press enter. Preset time and distance, yes, press enter. 5,000 miles, 121 days, which would be like almost 4 months. Okay, 4 months or 5,000 miles. 4 months or 5,000 miles. Okay, that's how you reset the oil life in this 2022 Hyundai Tucson. Okay, if you want to adjust it, right here, press enter, scroll up or down. When you set it up, press enter, enter. Right here, you can put 3 months. I'm gonna put 3 months. Press enter, scroll down, press enter, save it, press enter, yes, service interval save. All right, that's how you reset the oil life in this 2022 Hyundai Tucson. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave it right here. I hope you like this video. Don't forget, show your appreciation, return of kindness. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave it right here. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget, show your appreciation and return of kindness by hitting the super thanks button. Okay, you know where to find me. It's Axtuo, clocking now. I'm out, D. Yeah.